Hey, I'm lesbian.
Thought you were American.
I think I know more about Oreos than you do, a genius.
And he shoots, and he scores!
You stupid.
Or not.
It was 9 plus 10.
21.
You stupid.
What's going on here?
I think I know more about American Girl dolls than you, genius. It's an avocado. Thanks.
Beef. Lettuce. Do it. My dick fell off.
Whoa.
My dick fell off.
We need to pause at the right time.
Hey, you're in the way of my dancing
We're
pizza.
not doing that because it's not going to work. You're not going to pause it in time. It's going to
Yeah.
make noise.
Okay, 3. Oh no, go in the mirrors in the hallway.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Iridocyclitis. Iridocyclitis. I.
Cabin soup, cabin soup, cabin soup. Lettuce soup, cabin soup, cabin soup. Lettuce soup. I'm gay. Hi. Get out. Oh my gosh.
Are you okay, Eve? Eve, are you okay?
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it. I'm still filming, Ronald.
Ronald! Yes! I know known as Ronald. Hi, it's Ronald.
Ow, my head still hurts. I didn't think you would actually do it. Wait, the door's open. Why are you touching my foot?
Not to be racist or anything, but
Eve! Eve! It's always you, Eve.
not to be racist or anything,
But Asian people suck. Run! I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Hi, sisters!
Hi, Billy.
Hey, Jilly.
What's up?
You broke your what? Oh my god.
What do I do?
Want it back on? Leave in the comments below. What should she do?
Die.
Hey, it's Angsty, Jared, Ronald, Enchilada.
Here, come
Hi,
at you.
sisters.
Come at you.
It's Jim's time. Today we're dying.
Yes.
And we're changing.
Get in my closet, Billy.
Grabbed your leg and went.
Why are you recording this?
I'm kidnapping you. Let's
It's
go.
comedy gold.
I'm kidnapping you.
Go.
Dragging. No, you said it wrong. It's poor Eve.
No.
Hold, I'm stuck in the umbrella. Over and over, silently.
no, say nothing. Act scared. Act like I'm holding you at gunpoint. Pew pew.
You have nothing. Your hair.
If you don't give me $10 million right now, I will kiss this man in front of your children.
I
Hear this.
Oh, thank God.
What will it take just to find that special day to
You're right.
Angelica.
Alright, 3 shots. 3. She's recording. Kiss me, Dean.
Wait, no, that was her.
No.
Oh, wait,
You're
Rachel, I'll
actually
put.
on camera, genius.
Kiss me.
Wait, that's what you have to say. Cass, you can't call me Gene.
You okay?
What do we do at our dorm at USM?
We do this. We don't
drunk. We don't party. We don't like do things.
Yeah.
We do this.
Say Cass.
Hi, how was your life?
Literally, my life is skinny, wasted, high, fashion, riding in the Jeep wagon. Literally, my life is
Very interesting. How old are you?
48.
Okay, what is your gender?
Attack helicopter.
What's your eyesight?
What's my eyesight?
Like 20, 30, 20, 21.
Gay.
Okay, bye.
And I go.
I'm recording.
He's gonna look at this and he's like.
Okay. Cass, you can't call me genius. I'm an idiot.
Dude! That was perfect! Not my problem!
Cass, you can't call me a genius. I'm Dean Winchester. I'm an idiot.
Kiss me, Cass.
What the setting's supposed to do?
Wait, what it. I'm shook.
Shooketh.
To the core.
Okay, no, stop.
Rejection.
Look at the backpack.
Wait, restart it. That's hilarious.
Watch the backpack.
If you don't give me $10 million right now, I will kiss
Kiss. Watch the backpack.
Wait, watch the bear.
Oh,
I will kiss this man in front of your children.
No.
That's what you did. You literally went with your toes. Earlier, you were like holding onto the side of my hoodie. It was so weird.
Beep, beep, lettuce.
Your dad's gonna be so confused. Hello? I will let it on my own plate. Hey! Why?
My dad said, "Lol, do what?" I'm gonna say honk honk cabbage. I told my dad beep beep lettuce. He said,
Hey,
"Lol,
Kat.
do what?" Honk honk.
Can she use your phone for mine? Anyways?
Why are you recording?
Because she could record mine on your phone.
Our mom is sponsored by Tic Tacs.
Mom is sponsored by the Mammal Association.
Your mom is sponsored by death.
Say ah. Say ah. Not you.
Oh.
You.
Ow.
Beautiful.
Ow.
I suck at this. Where'd it go? Okay.
How come
You put your hand in my mouth, but you. She literally did.
She wants to fuck you, Ronald.
I was trying to throw a Tic Tac in her mouth, but I actually got a little too close.
She wants to fuck you, Ronald.
Bro! Give me the orange one!
Grandma knew it! Grandma knew it!
Ooh. What's up, Kai?
The sky.
I'm your long lost friend in your camera roll that you've never found until now. Great job finding me. Eve. Good job. This is really early in the morning.
It's like 7 o'clock.
That's early.
Yeah.
Okay, your interview's over.
All right.
What do you have to say, Nadia? Nadia.
Noodles.
I'm tired. She woke me up at 6.
Yes.
Because I
thought
heard
it was 6:30.
banging. No, 6:03.
It was 6:03.
And then I'm like, what time is it? Oh, it's 6:03. I'm going back to sleep until 6:30. Hey, Noodles. I'm like,
Hey, Noodle.
Noodle.
That was a weird cough. Okay, my turn. Bye. I don't want to have an interview.
Just okay. What's your name?
Is this so she remembers us?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Eve.
No, it's
Eve. Yeah, it's Eve.
she lived a door down from you.
Yep. I'll need her for the cookies. Nothing.
Ready, everybody? You know what to say.
No, I don't.
Ready, go.
Beep, beep, lettuce.
Wait,
Not lettuce.
Yeah.
What is lettuce?
This is lettuce.
Wait, so start.
It's beep,
Beep, lettuce.
Beautiful. Now say honk, honk, cabbage.
Honk, honk, cabbage.
Beautiful.
We learned sign language today. We're so smart.
Look, watch.
Show them what chicken nugget is. Brown.
It's brown.